In level 2 model building conclusion, we have a one activity called currency conversion. So using the line item subset, how we will convert the currency. So we'll look into this activity here. First, we have to create a LIS here in our in the financial planning and model analysis model. So first, we will create here. This is our financial planning and analysis model here. Here we have to create one line item subset here. Insert. The name should be given here. LIS reporting 03 P&L items. Okay. Click OK here. So LIS got created here. Now what you have to do, you have to include from Rep 03 P&L account line items to in this one. So what I have to do, you have to go into this one modules and you have to select reporting 03, this one, and you can click OK here. So now after this you can open this one, and once you open you can able to see all the line in terms of Rep 03. So from this one we have to select revenue, then cost of sales, margin, then employee expense, then other cost, and we want profit. So these line items will be part of LIS. So line item subset is a list of line items which can be used it can be used anywhere as a dimension. In any module we can use this LIS as a dimension, so which help us to get whatever the required line items from the different modules, or from the same module or from the different module. We can able to use the line items and we can get it to one place, as from reporting 03 or reporting 02 or employee 02, employee 01, any module we can make it a part of LIS, and that has to be make sure that those line items can be part of this list of line items. Okay, now we may move on to the next activity. Here we have to, for the currency conversion, we need to have the currency list actually here. So we have to go like for that we have to create one list here, country currency. We have to go into this general list and insert one currency, country currency. You can get it to end, and here uh, we have download this CSV file. Here in this we have a currency, and you can local currency we have here. So once it is included here, so go into the list here and we can import the currency here, upload new file, currency, and you can keep it as header row is okay, and first data is also okay, and you can keep it on admins not to lose the data. Okay, next, yes. Then we have to map here current country currency. Yeah, we can take as a local currency. Parent, we don't have the parent, we can keep it as it is, and code we can take as symbol. Let's see what is mentioned here. Popular the list using country currency, use the symbol as code for each country, for each currency. So we don't have the parent here, so uh, we can like keep it as empty and run import. Country currency from failures. Okay, country currency from country currency not saved. Another row has already been processed with this key. Okay, and take a screenshot of it. Okay, we'll come back to this, and we'll close it. Let's see whether it got populated or not. Yeah, we can see where all the currency has been got populated here. Now next thing is here. Uh, we have uh, assigned currencies to country here. In a financial planning and analysis model, assign a currency to each country in system 03. So we'll go to the system 03 here. System 03 modules. We'll go down to the system 03 here. Open this one, and in system 03, we'll add one line item here, local currency. Create at the end. Okay. Now it will be a list currency here. We'll give as we have a list here, and we'll take as currency, country currency we have here. We'll take this one. Now we can see here, assign a currency to each country. You can assign the currency manually or import the. So what we'll do, we'll do it manually only. um, as you can see, US, you have a US dollar. Canada, we have a Canadian dollar. Mexico, we have a Mexican peso. Brazil, Brazilian real. GBP, we have a pound sterling. Then we have a FR, euro. Sorry, this will be pound sterling only. This all will be euro. This will be euro only. Then we have Australian dollars. Then we have New Zealand dollar. Then we have Indian rupee and Japanese yen. So we've assigned here. So you can assign it. We have done this assignment here. So now we have to create a currency rate module here, and for that we have the module name will be FX01 currency rates. We'll create one in module here, and what is required here, and the country current currency list which we have created, that needs to be part of the, we need to add here as a dimension. Then we need time here, okay, the regular time in months. Then we need to have one line item, rates. Okay, now what we will do here, we have to assign the rates here now. So for that, we have one file they have given here. Please download and save. So data import, here we have the rates, currency rates. So we are taking this, we're importing the .csv file of currency. So as you can see, New Zealand 1.5 to all these rates has been assigned here. So we have the rates here, so we will be importing it into this module. Okay, so header row was the country. This is the headers, and this is the data starts from row 3, and we have FX rates in the FX rates in a fixed line item. So we'll taking according to it. Next, we have a calendar here where we can keep it under column headers, and because there are many. And here we have United States here, so we have in the first column, so we'll take as first column. Then we have a rates here, which is only one, so it is a fixed line item, so we'll take down this one here. Now time, as what time we have a year and a month, so we'll take here periods and year and months. Then country currency here, so it is not been mapped properly, so we have to map manually here. New Zealand dollars, so we have New Zealand dollars because of SEs there here, and we do not have the SEs in mapping here, so that's why we have, it is not mapped automatically. So we are manually doing it here. Australian dollars, yeah, we have S, we do not have S here. Euros, euro, pound sterling, United States dollar, yeah, yes. So I think we have mapped everything. Now the line item rates, run import. Yeah, 360 has been imported here. So we have got here. So if we change it here with Canadian dollar, we'll get different rates, 1.33, and local currency is a dollar. But apart from that, everything when we change the currency here, we'll get the different rates. Now, what is next here? As we can see, this is the file, and we have imported correctly here. So it is asking to not open the Excel file because it will the format will get changed. Okay. Now what we have to do is like we have to create one reporting 05 module, uh, local currency P&L. So go into the modules, reporting 05 we don't have here, reporting 04 we have. So we'll insert here reporting 05, and we have a G2 country list here. So take the G2 country list, and we want LIS. This is the LIS here. One LIS we have created earlier. So LIS rep 03 here. Take this one, and the time we want and versions we want. So we'll take the versions also in this. Time anyhow it's a default. Now we have two line items here. One is reporting in USD and local currency. Okay, now click OK here. Now we have got this yeah, okay. So two line items with this dimensions. Now we have so these two should be in the numbers only, that is fine. Now we have to apply a formula here to get the data here. So whenever from reporting 03, as we have made the LIS here, so for that reason we can give here function collect here, and once you give this one, you know, with open parenthesis, the data will be get pulled here. Okay, so as you can see, it is 278 562. We have got the data here based on US and forecast everything, from reporting 03 we have pulled just to give a collect function in help us to pull the data of the LIS to a target module. So we have got the data here, and now what we have to do is we have to look into this. We have to get the local currency here. What is the purpose here? Use the collect function here to bring in values. So we have already created our LIS using reporting 03. So for that reason, just if we give a collect function here, we the data get pulled from the uh, from reporting 03 to this reporting 05 module. So that we have got now. Now it is asking to convert values into local currency uh, by identifying the country's currency and multiplying the USD value by the conversion rate. For what we are the conversion rate we have already got here in this. So with that we have to we have to convert that one local currency. We convert into local currency. We are going to convert this one into local currency. Okay. So what we have to do is here. Firstly, we have to the values which we want is in the reporting USD, then should be get multiplied, and upon from where we are need to get the rates. So values rates we have here. Okay, then mm, open bracket lookup where we have this local currency we have in system 03 we have created that one. So in this one we have created here, so local currency we have created. So this is a mapping cross reference. Okay, apply. So as you can see, it is US min, that's why we are getting the same data here. If you change it here to Canada, so it is getting changed here. Okay, it is getting changed here according to the currency rate what we have applied here, and whatever the value here we have, and the rate based on the local currency, that we have created there. So according to that we have got the values here. Whatever value, if you change it here for Canada to Mexico, then again you get this value. Okay, so as we are able to convert them into the currency, and it is asking to check the work here. If you haven't already done so, pivot the view and for reporting 05 local currency. So it is asking to keep G2 country on top, and LIS should be in the rows, and line item should be on in columns. Time will goes up. Okay, you can click OK here. Now once you come down here, it is asking in RIP 05 local currency PNL, set the page selector to New Zealand. So it is asking to change it to New Zealand, where it is in Asia Pacific, New Zealand, and it is asking to change it to actual, and what else, Jan 19. So Jan 19 is already there. So if you can see here, for revenue, how much? 136,660 is a it is in local currency, in reporting in USD. Then in local currency, how much we are getting? 207,268, and 35,514 in cost of sales, and 53,982. So this is in the local currency. Okay. So as you can see, we are able to convert it without any problem. We have converted this into local currency. Okay. So as you can see here, so we have done this one. The result should match the screenshot. So we are able to match the screenshot here.